Hi folks, and welcome back to Olszkool Studios. Today I get a text from my sister at 1 o'clock. Says, glad we're home to put this out. And I called her, I go, what the hell are you talking about? She goes, oh, you didn't get the picture? I'm like, no. Well, apparently around 1 o'clock, my sister's boyfriend, who works from home, walked outside and the flames were higher than the garage, and she ran over with the fire extinguisher and he ran over with the garden hose and put it out. And here's where we're at. We have a extra crispy, all the plastic is completely melted and gone. The seat, back fender, front fender. This is the gas tank, melted down to the carburetor. I hope I could salvage this motor. It'd be a shame if I couldn't clean that all up and get a new wire harness. This is a shame. Last night I was on eBay. I was looking for bushings and upper and lower A-arms and spindles, and I almost bought some bushings, a whole bushing kit. And there was something else I almost bought for, oh, front tires. I still have the web pages up on my computer. So yeah, folks, that's where I'm at with this. I don't know if I had a short in the electrical. Oh, we're separated now. I'm going to try to get this battery out of here. Oh, there we go. Put that right there. Yeah. Alright, folks. Wait for an update on this one. Thank you for watching Olszkool Studios. Please hit like and subscribe. Have a good day.